Most people think of dimensions like levels in a video game. First dimension, second, third, and then fifth. They imagine the fifth dimension as some faraway place, floating cities, rainbow bridges, or alien realms. But the truth is deeper and simpler. The fifth dimension isn't out there, it's a frequency you tune into. Like radio stations, all dimensions exist simultaneously. It's not about where you go, it's about what you embody. The fifth dimension is a vibration of unconditional love, unity, and expanded awareness. It's the shift from fear to trust, from separation to wholeness. You begin seeing life through a lens of divine connection. Duality dissolves, judgment fades. You no longer react, you respond. The ego steps back and the soul takes the wheel. So how do you know you're aligning with this frequency? Here are a few signs. You feel deep compassion, even for people who've hurt you. Time feels less linear, more fluid. Synchronicities appear constantly. You sense a higher purpose behind every challenge. You crave simplicity, peace, and authenticity. And most of all, you start to trust your intuition more than your logic. You know what to do, without needing to know why. You don't need to ascend a mountain or leave your body. You just need to shift your vibration. Start by being present. Breathe. Practice gratitude. Let go of control and judgment. Choose love in moments where fear would have won. Meditation, chanting, energy work. They help, but the most powerful tool is awareness. Each time you act from love, truth, and unity, you're in the fifth dimension. Here's the mind-bending part. You can live in 5D while existing in a 3D world. This is not about escaping physical reality. It's about transforming your relationship to it. In the fifth dimension, you see beyond appearances. You see energy behind form, purpose behind pain. You're not avoiding the world, you're alchemizing it. The fifth dimension is here. It always has been. You don't have to wait for a cosmic event or external shift. You are the portal. You are the frequency. So the question is, will you choose to tune in? If this message resonates, you're already activating the fifth dimensional frequency within you. Subscribe to Empower Merkaba for more soul-expanding content. Comment below, I am the frequency. And remember, you're not here to escape the matrix, you're here to elevate it.